So if you just saw by the images that I just showed you, we're going to the Fiero's Forever museum in downtown Sanford, which was washed away by 2 dams breaking and it causing a 500-year flood. So here we are in Sanford. We already have the siding off of that. Think that was flooded? We're close enough to the river that everything here was probably flooded. There's a Fiero there, and a Fiero back there on its roof.
Jim, how you doing? I've been seeing the pictures. I don't know if you remember me. Todd, yeah, we came in here and visited with you a few times. Yeah. So my wife just called in and said that somebody printed that everything was free.
Uh-oh.
Come in and take it. Yeah,
That's what we read.
Printed.
Uh-oh.
That wasn't the intention.
Oh no.
What I was doing was giving the people that had helped me a chance. Yeah. But unfortunately, I can't just give the stuff away because we paid all for it.
I was going to ask if you wanted to sell any of these wheels.
Yeah, we can sell those.
Yeah.
That was one of the problems I had. I had the auto shop had reserved a set of 4 H-cars.
Wow, this is sad. VTEC Turbo.
Yeah.
There's a fire extinguisher. Wow.
Filming you?
Yeah. It's it. You can walk across it. It's it.
It's okay, I don't want to.
Look at that car. And I've never experienced anything like this before. Is there running water right there? Or is it dripping? Oh, okay. This poor car. Did this car survive? Like, how is this? Yeah. And like, this car, was it? You could tell that it was underwater. So sad. This is the first time I've ever been in like a natural disaster area in my lifetime. Because we never have tornadoes in Michigan. But it looks like a tornado went through. And this is surreal. How are these here? There's spoons?
I think they put them in.
I mean, I wonder if a bunch of his stuff is already like in these dumpsters.
Yeah, sure.
There's a pumpkin.
That's the river right there.
Look at it, there's a boat. You see the boat? Alright, so I forgot to film an outro for this video. We just left, kind of, and I quit filming. So make sure that you guys leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, or go check out my other videos. And also, if you see this video within the next few days and it's still around like the end of May or early June 2020, go over to Jalopnik, or however you say their name, and email them or tweet them on Twitter, whatever. Tell them to take the article down, because as you heard in the video, we talked to Tim. I didn't put him on camera, so I didn't want him to be on camera. I didn't ask him if he'd be okay with it, so I just aimed it at the ground. But you could hear he said his wife had just told him, like right before we got there. So go ahead and tell them to take their article down, because their article says that everything he was giving away for free, and stuff got stolen. He told us last night. I kind of walked away, but after watching the footage back, he was telling my dad there was a set of wheels that off of a Fiero pace car, probably worth a lot of money because the Fiero pace cars are more rare, and they got stolen last night, so not good. But anyway, thanks for watching and peace out.